This is a demonstration of the credit card system. As you notice that every time we ship a product, our default is 99.99.99. That is a corporate machine ID. So if you want to attach a machine ID to your own account, you log on to payboxtimer.com with your email address. And before you do that, you come here, you see a small button that says machine ID reset on the right hand side, and you press that once, and you notice the machine goes blank. And now you have a new ID that's been associated to this payment device. So the number here is 952997. It's set for 25 cents for every 10 minutes. If you were to buy this device, or you bought it from someone else, in order for you to attach this to your account, you simply hit reset ID again, and it will generate a new ID, which you copy into your payboxtimer.com account. There you have it, 483471. And so we link your machine ID to your email address. And so you will have multiple, you can have hundreds of machine IDs associated to one email address. And that's how we transfer any credit card payments from your device into your bank account.